Hello everyone, and welcome back to DMG. Today is an unboxing, review, and test of the HyperX Pulsefire Core RGB. Now I'm going to go ahead and say I got this mouse for free, but HyperX did not send it to me, and I am not being paid to say good things about it. So if it's terrible, I'm going to say it's terrible. But I just got it for free because I had a lot of Microsoft Rewards points that I was able to redeem, and my G602, I fear, is kind of on its way out. So I thought might as well get a free replacement. It started to double click, you know, that kind of thing. I've just got this piece of paper here to cover the shipping address. I hope you can't really read it under there, but yeah, let's get this open. Alright, so that took a good 2 minutes to get all those tabs up. So it looks like this is just like going over the box. I see that HyperX packaging inside. Hey, here we go. Boom. Alright, cool looking box. And it's inside this little bubble wrap. Or not bubble wrap, like, I don't know what to call this, like, latex mess. Okay, now here it is. On here we've got advertisement of RGB, because that's what all the cool kids have. Knife. Wow, that was easy. Okay, just now going back now, boys. The mouse is out of the box. Oh, that's kind of cool. It doesn't like fully open. It just, I mean, it's a small feature, but still kind of an interesting thing. I've got it in this T-shaped box here. It tells you where to get the software on the outside of the packaging. Now, I think saying it, like, you have to read that before you open the mouse. Like, it's a red sticker, but that's the first thing you see when you pull it out of the box. So of course you're going to read it. I think that's better than including a slip, say, here in the packaging, where it could easily fall out and get lost. Because this mouse does use software to, I think, control the RGB and like set DPI and that kind of thing, you know, program your macros on the side of the mouse. Then it's got one more bag. I think that wasn't supposed to tear there. Oh no, it was, because it's going around the cable. Okay, so this is nice. The shiny parts are protected from being scratched during shipping. Stuff does not come off too cleanly. I think it's pretty obvious that you are supposed to take it off, so that's good. Alright, now, here we go. I mean, it's, one more. First impressions, it's a pretty good looking, pretty good feeling mouse. I mean, it doesn't feel light to the point of being cheap. It's, but it's nice and light. We've got our, of course, 2 buttons. Scroll wheel feels nice. The scroll wheel click isn't really my favorite, but that's excusable. I don't use that too much. Then we've got these 2 buttons, probably programmable, and then these 2 programmable side buttons here. So, get the box out of here. Oh wait, there's one more thing in the box. Like, I think warranty card. Then, oh, things just keep falling out. And then, oh, overview. I've already done an overview, but might as well look through this. Wow, that's more letters than I know. Can't read Japanese, so I'll go to here. Okay, here we go. Connect the USB connector to the computer. There are 4 default DPI presets. and you can change those. And then HyperX Ingenuity software. So that's what we're going to need. But for now, I just want to plug it up, see how it looks. I'll minimize any active windows. I mean, the point of this isn't the laptop, it's the mouse, so I won't really point it at the screen. Ooh. Sorry I plugged that in off camera, but that looks kind of cool, not gonna lie. Here, I'll turn off the light. Comes across okay on the camera, doesn't it? So yeah, it changes colors, that's kind of cool. Now I'll try and find that Ingenuity software. Okay, so far I like the feel of it. It definitely feels like a pretty nice mouse. Download for Windows. Okay, so the Ingenuity software. Oh, it's on the Microsoft Store. That's interesting. So it sends you to the Microsoft Store when you go to download it. Okay, so are these buttons by default change DPI? Yes, they are. Oh wow, that's fast. Okay, so yeah, I'll wait for that to download. Alright, I'll keep the mouse in view. Okay, so connected products, mouse. Firmware update. Why do I need to... Oh, that's unfortunate. So I can't even use the mouse yet. It deactivates my mouse while it updates it. Okay, I don't know why it needs to do that. Our mouse LEDs have come back on. That took about 15 seconds. Not too much. Oh, that's cool. You can like change a lot. Okay, buttons, here we go. You can reassign these. So yeah, they are set to default as DPI. It's unfortunate that it doesn't tell you what they like usually are. Oh, and then you can change what your DPI levels are set to. What is this cool button? Polling rate. That's cool. You can set your polling rate. Yeah, I'll keep it at 1000, thank you. Wait, okay. Let me get this in view. Yeah, you can change the brightness level. Because it's LEDs, LEDs don't do too well with analog brightness levels, but whatever. Okay, buttons. Yeah, honestly, so far I'm really satisfied with this. I really like it. It started... Oh, and it's one of those sensors where you can't actually see the laser, which is nice, so it doesn't just, like, shoot red light everywhere. The DPI presets that are preset are a bit steep for me, not gonna lie. I'm gonna try playing a game really quickly. But so far, for $25, aka free, when I got this mouse, I'd give it probably a 9 out of 10. I would very much recommend it as a budget mouse. The only thing I don't like is the feel of the scroll wheel click, and that's a really minor thing. It feels great, like there's... Like, okay, I'm gonna turn down the DPI. Okay, so I turned it up 1, then I turned it down 1. It does seem it seems very sensitive and very responsive, so that's good. I bought this to use as a better mouse to leave at home for when I came home, and of course as a replacement for the G602, because those Amazon Basics mice, they don't really do it for me. But yeah, just like moving around, it feels great. Personally, I really like the look of the Personally, I really like the look of the RGB. But if you don't, I believe there is an option to disable that in the HyperX software. So yeah, that's it for this mouse. I would definitely recommend it as a decent budget mouse. Again, I just want to say that this video wasn't sponsored. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you everyone for watching, and see you next time.